Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can power on and power off manually Jaybird Vista 2nd generation. So first of all, you have to be connected with your Jaybird application, and after that you just scroll down until you find the button controls. Next you have to focus for the left and the right button and go for the press and hold and switch for the power off and on. Right now, just take a look. You just have to click and hold them. And as you can see right now, we are not connected. To power them on, just repeat, click and hold. As you can see right now, we are connected. So if you have any problem with your charging case, that's the way how to power them on and off manually. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.